Hello and namaste everyone, this is me Paramita Rana and I welcome you to our exciting episode of Get Ready With Me. As you all know that this is a festive time, it's Durga Puja and Dasai back home in Nepal. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this makeup look, please keep watching. Alright, so let's start with this look. So first off, I am going to use e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer on my face. So I'm just taking my two fingers here and I'm just gonna apply it on the dabbing motion so that it penetrates deep to my pores and skin. So after I have applied the primer, I am going in for the orange color corrector because as you can see, I don't have that much of a pigmentation going on, but I have like some small brown spots and a tan situation on my forehead. So I'm just gonna apply just a little bit of orange color corrector. As you see, I've already applied my color corrector, but I'm not gonna blend it with a blender yet. I'm just gonna blend it with my ring finger really slowly because I don't want half of the product to be absorbed by this blender. So I'm just doing it in a slight dabbing motion like this. So now I'm done with my color corrector. I am going in with two foundation shades. I always mix foundations to get my perfect shade on my complexion. So yeah, I am mixing Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation and Note Luminous Moisturizing Foundation. So I'm gonna mix them and apply it. So guys, as you can see, I've applied a foundation and I'm going to blend with my fingers, not with a beauty blender as of yet, because when you blend your foundation with your fingers, it gives a very natural skin-like finish and not cakey. So I'm going in. So after I've blended the foundation with my fingers, I'm now blending it with a beauty blender. Now I'm using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer and I'm just gonna use this very little of concealer. I'm not gonna go overboard with it. All you need is just under the eye a little bit and then just elongate for that snatched eye look. You continue it from here, the concealer, and same goes for the next side. And a little bit on top of the blemishes, just a little bit, like maybe here, here, and a little bit of here, and for bright, and here, and for brightness, maybe just a little bit, like a teacup, and here on your corners and your nose. That's pretty much it. Now, let's blend this. So the next step is eyebrows. So I am going to use this Goof Proof Brand Pencil by Benefit. This is my favorite pencils because I tend to avoid those heavy eyebrow pomades and because I don't want that really thick boxy eyebrow look. So I'm just gonna apply this and show it to you guys, and you guys will know that what I'm trying to mean when this product is my favorite eyebrow brush. Okay guys, I'm done with my brows. Now the last thing I'm going to apply to my brows is the LA Colors Browy Wowie Tinted Brow Gel. So this will keep my eyebrow hair intact and this is also one of my favorite products. Alright, so I'm done with my brow. Now I'm just gonna set my base with a compact powder. So this is Fit Me Maybelline and I'm just gonna grab a powder brush and I'm gonna pack all my base like that. Next up is bronzer for that perfectly sun-kissed bronze look. And for that, I'm using e.l.f. Contour Palette and I'm not taking the darkest shade. I'm just mixing these two here and always remember to tap the axis and just gently apply it. Now next step, eyeshadow. As you can see, I've already applied some powder under my eyes. Today I'm going to work with browns and some shimmers, that's it. So for transition, first I'm going to use this light brown here and medium brown. So I'm going to just take this, tap, and I'm just going to like pack it on my, this packing technique gives you a really beautiful pigment. Oh, by the way, I forgot. I am using LA Colors Lemon Drop Eye Palette for my look today. Now, as you can see, I have already blended my transition shade. Now I'm going with a darker brown. I'm taking it, tapping off the excess, blending it, and just packing it. So I'm packing this darker brown shade on the outer corner of my eyes. Now with the transition blender brush, I am going to blend the outer corner dark brown eyeshadow. So let's start. Now I am using this Makeup Revolution's, this shimmery shade, to pop it on my inner corner. And for that, I am taking my ring finger, I am taking the product, and now I'm gonna pack it on my inner corner like this. And with the same transition blending brush, I am gonna give it a blend. So for the lower part of my eye, I'm just gonna use these two transition shades. I'm just gonna swipe it like this at the bottom. Now my favorite eyeliner time, and for eyeliner I am using Huda Beauty eyeliner. So I want my eyeliner to be cat eye, not the really my super intense cat eye, but just a little cute wing. So let's start. So there's a trick for your eyes to look intense and for your eyeliner to like literally look black and intense. All you have to do is water your eyeline, not on the lower half, on the upper half. So that is what exactly I'm gonna do. And I'm using the same pencil by Huda Beauty. So you're just gonna look up like that and apply it on the upper waterline of your eyes. So the next product is falsies, false eyelashes. So usually people, they like applying mascara and then the falsies, but I prefer wearing the falsies first and then merging it with my own natural lashes so that it doesn't look different, you know. So for eyelash glue, I am using Miss Claire Eyelash Glue Dark Tone 1. So one perfect trick for your eyelash to stick all day without any problems is that when you apply the glue, do not immediately apply it on your eyelids. You should at least wait for 30 seconds for it to dry and then only apply it on your eyelids. So the next step, instead of wearing a black coil pencil, I am going to apply a beige eyeliner. It's Smoky Desire and it's from Maybelline. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this for my eyes to pop and make it more big. Now it's time for the mascara, and for mascara I am using Sky High by Lash Sensational by Maybelline. So I'm just gonna apply it because I don't want to go all over the top of my falsies. That's gonna look really clumped and bad. So just to merge your natural lashes with these falsies, and then of course do not forget the lower lashes. Gently. Same way for the next eyes. Now it's blush time. So for blush, I am using this dual blush highlighter. It's called Blushed and it's also from Makeup Revolution. So it has a coral orangey tint to it, and I love coral orangey tint blush So I would rather choose this color any day instead of like those pink ones. You'll see why. Now for the lips, I'm gonna line my lips with a brown lip liner. And with my ring finger, I'm gonna blend this brown lip liner. Blend it. Now, for the lips part, I wanna go with red, but I also wanna go with this orangey nude. You know what? I'm just gonna go with red. So here I have a red matte lipstick by Golden Rose. This is my favorite lipstick. And I am mixing two lip colors. One is by Golden Rose and the other maroonish shade is by Farmasi. So I'm gonna apply them now. So I've applied my lipstick by mixing two red colors, one red and one maroon. And last but not the least is the highlighter step. So for the highlighter, I am using Huda Beauty and I am taking these two shades from the bottom and gently applying it on the cheek, tip of my nose, and not to forget my brow bone. So my makeup look is done now and I cannot wait to wear my full outfit, and I'll see you guys soon. So this is it guys. I hope you guys like this look and I hope you guys will be inspired to recreate this look for your Durga Puja / Dasai, and I will see you guys very soon. Till then, please like, share and subscribe to Select by Pink Villa.